Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Band 9 and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this device. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our smartband, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you can press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu and find the vibration option. Once you find it, tap on it. And here we have the list of the vibration levels, the intensity levels. And we have off. If you select this, the vibration will be turned off. If you select soft, it's gonna be soft, barely feelable and audible. And the strong one is the strongest one. And you can hear it and feel it also. So select the one you like and tap on OK. And once you're done, press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this smart bed. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.